give a statement. I'll give a statement.
Hindi na.
Okay, we had 5 members of the management. The only one who appeared is Mr. M. Fernandez, head of the appellants department. Mr. Boblin did not appear. Mr. Edo, Mr. Edo did not appear. However, Ateneo sent a lawyer here para magpaliwanag sa role nila, pero hindi sila kasama sa pila. We will mag-i-issue kami ng parawang run ng Cortina on Friday para magkaroon tayo talaga ng as of now, again, it is a fact-finding mission. A second absence ng warrant, a contempt of court will be demanded. Well, they send their lawyers, which is their right to do so. Nakarapat naman ng lawyers, so okay lang. So, I think that the bigger one is better.
Sir, may tama kasama sa pinisagpina ang player.
Hindi pa. Baka bukas.
Alright. Sa mga
Kaya
coaches
yung mga ginagawa sa akin natin. Again, I have to repeat that. This is a fact-finding mission, not fact-finding. Thank you very much.
Sir,